To turn on the printer, touch and hold the button for a few seconds. Tap the button 3 times, and the print head carriage will move to the replacement position. To open the cover, push the lock levers on both sides towards the center at the same time. This is the ink cartridge. Place it into the carriage. Then press down both the left and right lock levers until they click into place. This is the moisture-preserving position for the ink cartridge. The carriage will remain in this position when the cover is closed. This is the print head lock. Let's see how it works. Switch it to locked. Tap the button 3 times, and the print head carriage won't move. Switch it to unlocked. Tap the button 3 times, and the print head carriage will move to the center. Although the print head carriage will automatically return to the moisture-preserving position when closed, we still recommend locking it to prevent sliding and misalignment. Long touch to turn off the device.